Hello Toronto, I'm Saeed from Carbon Real Estate Group with Royal LePage Signature, and I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce our latest listing at 76 Furrow Lane in the heart of Etobicoke. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath freehold executive townhome is nestled within Dunpar's highly coveted community of Bloorview Village 2, an exclusive enclave of only 96 homes, walking distance to the Bloor and Islington subway and Kingsway shops to the north and the QEW to the south. It is close to excellent schools, parks, and allows for easy access to the airport and major highways with just about anything you need around, whether it's doing groceries at No Frills or Costco, shopping at Sherways and visiting IKEA, or just grabbing your morning coffee and Timbits for your kids on your way back home. Speaking of home, let me show you around. This property is situated in the most private section of the complex and faces this beautiful, quiet green space. It can be accessed both from the front and the back through the indoor garage, making your grocery drop-offs and deliveries very convenient. Upgrades are throughout the property and begin the moment you step in. Porcelain tiles lead the way to a large den with French doors and 2 windows providing generous natural light, making it perfect for a home office and your Zoom calls. It even has its own powder room. This is just the beginning, folks. Let's go upstairs. Check out the first floor's open concept, ideal for entertaining and interacting with your guests. This dining room comfortably expands to fit 12 adults as it opens up onto the living room, where you can find a custom oak cabinet pre-wired for any audiophil's delight. The gas fireplace will sure keep you warm in winter, and if Santa's on your guest list, he'll have to come in from the front door. This kitchen is a host stream. It's where all the action happens. This one's been fully renovated. We're talking about the works, folks. We're talking about upgraded granite countertops, undermount sink, and a new faucet. New cabinetry and hardware with a new backsplash and soft close drawers. The kitchen island has been expanded to fit a custom wine rack, and light fixture has been installed above. The owners have also added a custom pantry with added shelving and upgraded all the appliances. You will love how silent that Bosch dishwasher is. Off the kitchen, the entertainment continues with a spacious deck offering you generous seating area, an awning for some shade on warmer days, as well as a natural gas barbecue included in your purchase. The southwest exposure promises to flood the house with natural light year-round. Are you ready for more? Follow me. I love the layout of this second floor. It offers 2 split bedrooms ideal for your kids, parents, or visiting guests. They are large enough to include a study area for your teenagers. Both the bathroom and the laundry room have been fully renovated. Go check them out. Now, I know you already love this property, but let me show you my favorite room in the entire home, the master bedroom. This room fits a king-size bed and just about anything else you desire, whether it is a seating area like this or your Peloton bike, a treadmill, and your newborn's bassinet. It also comes with this private Juliet balcony, ideal for meditation or writing in your gratitude journal. Heading this way, you'll find a his and hers walk-in closet leading to a private and spacious 5-piece ensuite bathroom. This executive townhome comes with customized California shutters for every window and hardwood floors throughout the property. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Make sure to share this video with anybody looking for a freehold property. Don't hesitate to follow us on social media for other opportunities of this kind. Contact us if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.